Hello friends, we are going to write a Python program to calculate the sum of the series. So see the series, that is 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube plus x power 4 up to x power n. So see here, first I am having a x power 0, that is a positive sign, followed by minus of x plus x square minus x cube and so on. So we are having a minus plus like this. So for this we are going to write a Python program. Variable x equal to integer of input of enter the value for x. I am closing the input statement, I am closing the int function. The input statement display the string, enter the value for x in the user's console. When user enter the value, the input statement receives it as a string, in function convert it as an integer and storing it in the variable x. Likewise, the variable n equal to integer of input of enter the power, that is n. I am closing the input statement, I am closing the int function. The input statement display enter the power n in the user's console. When user enter the value, input statement receives it as a string, in function convert it as an integer and storing it in the variable n. In this series, now I am having the value of x and value of n, that is a power range. Now I am going to write a logic. Now I am initializing a variable sum equal to 0, another variable sign equal to plus 1. Now I am writing a for loop for I in range of n plus 1 followed by colon. For is the keyword for the for loop. I is a loop variable. Range function will generate a list from 0 to n. If I give a n plus 1, it will generate list up to n. If I give a n, it will generate a list up to n minus 1. Now I am giving a n plus 1, a list from 0 to n will get generated. The loop variable will take the value one by one from the list in the each iteration. In operator helps this purpose. Now I am writing a logic to calculate the series. I am having a value for x and the value for n. I am having a two variable. One is sum to store the sum of the series, and I am having a sign a variable. I am having plus 1 as an initial value. Here I am having a variable term equal to x double star I multiplied with sign. So here initially I will take the value 0, x double star I. Double star is a power operator which rise I to the power of x. If I given in the parenthesis, so this will get calculated. After calculating the value, this value will be multiplied with the value in the variable sign. Initially the value is plus 1. After that I am adding sum equal to sum plus term. Sum equal to sum plus term. Now the term will get added with the existing value of sum and the value is stored in the variable sum. Sign equal to the existing value of sign multiplied with minus 1. So this loop will go continuously from 0 to n time. The value will get executed. I will take the value initially from 0 and it will get raised with the power of x multiplied with sign. So initially sign value is plus 1. that value is stored with the existing value of sum and stored in the variable sum. After that, sign is multiplied with minus 1. So plus 1 become minus 1. Next iteration, I will take the value 1. This will get repeated. Sign is become minus 1. So the minus plus will apply. I'm giving indentation. Indentation means the three statements are within the scope of the for loop. After the for loop, I am printing the result. Print a string sum of first followed by the variable n followed by a string terms colon followed by the variable sum. I'm closing the print. So it will print sum of first followed by the value in the variable n followed by the string terms colon followed by sum. Now we will take a sample input and check how this program works. Here I'm having a value x equal to 2, n equal to 3. I'm having a variable I and term sum sign. So first the loop will generate a list. N value is 3. It will generate a list from 0 to 3. A list from 0, 1, 2 and 3 is generated by this range function. Initially I will take the value 0. I will take the value 0. Term equal to x power I, that is x value is 2, 2 power 0 multiplied with the value in the variable sign, that is plus 1, multiplied with plus 1. So that is equal to 2 power 0 equal to 1, 1 multiplied with 1 which is equal to 1. Term is having a value 1. Now sum equal to existing value of sum plus term. So existing value of sum, what is the existing value of sum? That is 0. So 0 plus the value in the term is 1, sum is become 1. Sign equal to sign multiplied with minus 1. So existing value of sign is plus 1. So this is plus 1 multiplied with minus 1, that is equal to minus 1. Again the control will come to the loop header. I will take the value, next value in the list, that is 1. I is become 1. So we come to the slide and calculate the term, that is x power I 2 power 1 multiplied with the value in the sign equal to minus 1. So that is equal to minus 2. Here sum equal to existing value of sum, that is plus 1 plus and the value in the term, that is minus 2 which is equal to minus 1. Sign equal to sign into minus 1. So existing value of sign is minus 1 multiplied with minus 1, this is become plus 1. Now I will take the value 2. I is become 2. So it is equal to here x power I, that is 2 power 2 multiplied with the sign is plus 1. Now the value equal to 4. Here sum equal to existing value of sum plus term. So existing value of sum equal to minus 1 plus the term equal to 4 which is equal to plus 3. Sign equal to existing value of sign, that is plus 1 multiplied with minus 1, that is equal to minus 1. Now I will take the value 3. So here I will take the value 3. So which is equal to 2 cube. So x double star I 2 cube multiplied with, what is the value of sign? Sign is minus 1 now into minus 1 which is equal to 8 into minus 1 which is equal to minus 8. Sum equal to sum plus term. So existing value of sum equal to 3 plus minus 8 which is equal to minus 5. So here the sign equal to minus 1 multiplied with -1, which is become +1. Now all the values in the list are taken by the loop variable, so the sequence is over. Control will come out and print sum of first and 3 terms colon, that is equal to sum, that is equal to -5 is the answer. So we will check manually. For example, I am taking x equal to n equal to 3. So initially this is 2 power 0 minus 2 power 1 plus 2 square minus 2 cube, which is equal to 2 power 0 is 1 minus 2 power 1, which is minus 2, 2 square plus 4 minus 2 cube, which is minus 8, which is equal to 1 minus 2, which is minus 1, minus 1 plus 4, which is equal to plus 3, plus 3 minus 8, which is equal to 5. So the value is correctly calculated. So from 2 power 0 to 2 power 3 we are calculating. The sign is minus plus minus plus, the value is correct. So the physical calculation, it gives the same value of the program output. The program will work perfectly for any x and n value. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment and press the bell button. Thank you.